Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing round 2 of the clean your cast iron grill grates. So in the last video didn't do very well according to the people on YouTube, as in my followers on YouTube or non-subscribers or whoever you are. You can see the comments as such, and some people told me what I should eat or where I should go. Obviously not exactly constructive feedback, but it's feedback nonetheless. So I hear you, and I'm going to offer version 2 of that. So what I want to do is showcase what you can do to make and to give yourself some clean cast iron grill grates in a simple, easy to follow video. So you can make something that's destroyed, rusted, into something that's beautiful. Because that's really what it's all about. Let's get prepared. Here we go, properly re-seasoned cast iron grill grates. These look beautiful, ready to go to get dirty again. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a great day.